Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
At the report and accounts have been in your hands for several days. I shall take them as read as you will see from the profit and loss account. We have had a very successful year. Naturally, your board is very pleased to be in a position to put such a satisfactory result before you this afternoon, and we trust that you are equally pleased. It has certainly been a good year for us from every point of view, and I must ask you not to look forward to such record figures during the present year. Conditions are not quite the same this year as they were last year. This is only natural, and in a business such as this, we have to take good years with the bad. I do not want you to think from this remark that I expect the present year's trading to be bad or to show a loss. This is not at all the case. I indeed very helpful that the present year's trading will be satisfactory, and if we may judge from the figures for the opening months of the year, we shall have no cause to be upset at the end of the year. What I do wish to point out is that because one year's trading is so highly satisfactory, it does not follow that another year's trading will be equally successfully. We have under consideration some plans for opening up new offices overseas, but we have not yet put up these plans into effect. At present, we buy through other companies who operate overseas, and of course, we have to pay for such services. We think, therefore, that it would pay us set up our own offices overseas and to buy direct, but such plan as this needs careful thought before put into effect. We hope next year we would be able to give you further information.